Hey guys. All right, this is our new letter for the week. This is the letter F. Capital F, lowercase f. F says you touch your teeth to your top lip and you blow air. All right, so let's look at our letter story to help us remember what the letter F says. Miss Hendry was warming up by the campfire in the forest when a sneaky fox came by. He saw Miss Hendry's fire and he tried to blow it out. He said, "Can you do that? Blow out that fire." Miss Hendry said, "Oh, a fire's blowing out." All right, so let's look at some things that start with the letter F. A fox, feet, fire, and 5. Capital F, lowercase f. F says all right, let's look how we write the letter F. Capital F is a pull down. I push across the top line. I push across the dotted line. Lowercase f is a candy cane upside down with a push across. Pull down, push across, candy cane upside down with a push across. Good. All right, friends, remember that fox blew out Miss Hendry's fire. He said, bye, friends.